Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am very late with my tutorial. I've just had lots going on and I couldn't film. Well, I did film and the look turned out patchy and I was gonna do a need get ready with me, but I couldn't, and I did use this palette on each day as well. I didn't film myself because I couldn't set up anywhere. But yeah, this tutorial is with the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette as voted by my Instagram followers. So I do have the vote and I did have a little poll going on which one I should do a tutorial on first. Almost everybody voted for this one, so that's the one I went for. So yeah, if you guys like this look, stay tuned and the look is about to follow. So I've done my brows and primed my eyes and set my lids with the Laura Mercier setting powder. So I'm going to take the Morphe M433 and take the shade Sparks. I'm going to put that really lightly into my crease. I'm going to go in circular motions on the outer edge. And then sweep it across. So I did film with this look once before and the look did turn out to be patchy. I hadn't set my primer at that time. So today I've set my primer, or basically concealer, and I'm going to see how this turns out. I'm going to keep on building this colour until I'm happy with the intensity. And it's blending really well. So now I'm going to take just a pencil brush, and that's number 219. And I'm going to take the shade Mystic and I'm going to put that on the outer V of my eye. And I'm going to take it into the crease, really lightly, just deepen it slightly. So I'm going to keep it, I don't know why my voice is like this today, very croaky. So I'm just going to keep patting it onto the outer V until I'm happy with how it looks. And then I'm going to take the remainder into the crease. So I'm just going to blend the outer part a little bit more with M433. I haven't picked up any new colour. I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit. So I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, cut my crease. I'm not going to cut it all the way through. I'm just going to tidy up this part. Now that I've cut my crease, and that's how I've kept it, I'm going to go in with the shade Hush Hush. And I'm taking Mikasa E230 brush. And I'm just going to add that where I've applied the concealer. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M433 and blend out all the edges again. Then pick up Mystic again and apply here. And blend all of that in together. Keep on adding it until I am happy with that. So it's not really a half cut crease, but it is, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm going to take Ballsy, which is a pinky purpley shade, and I'm going to add that to where the darker purple meets the mauve shade. I'm just going to keep it on here. I'm going to pick it up again, and I'm going to get Fix Plus onto it and apply it right here. I've got Morphe M506, and I'm going to pick up Mystic again, and I'm going to just add this right here in the crease and on the outer V. Okay, so this isn't looking like a cut crease anymore, and that's exactly how I wanted it. Okay, I'm just going to bring it all the way here. Now I'm going to go off camera and apply my foundation and tidy this bit up a bit more. I've concealed my eyes and applied Laura Mercier setting powder. So for bronzer, I'm using Mineralized Skin Finish in Give Me Sun. Highlight, I'm going to use my usual brush off all the setting powder, and I'm going to apply the rest of the highlight. So I'm now going to take more of the setting powder. So I'm taking the angle side of the Morphe blending sponge, and I'm gonna tidy up around here, so that will sharpen up the contour. Blush, I'm gonna take Gingerly by MAC. Now I'm going to brush off the powder. So I'm now going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to take Mikasa E310, and I'm going to pick up Sparks and run that along the lower lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to take Mystic and run that along as well. And this is a Jessup concealer brush. So for lashes, I'm going to apply Cocoa Lashes Queen Bee. So I've now done my lashes and tight lined with the MUA Intense Color Liner. And for mascara, I used Their Real Mascara. And for my inner corner, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Glitz and Glam. So for the lips, I'm going to take NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Brooklyn Thorn. And for the lipstick, I'm taking Gerard Cosmetics Liquid, the shade Iced Mocha. And I'm going to take a bit of my So Hollywood highlighter and just press that in a little. That, guys, is the end of the tutorial. So this is what I came up with this Bling Boss palette. I did find sparks a little patchy. Last time I filmed the tutorial, that one was patchy too, and I thought it was because I never set my eyeshadow base, but today I did set the eyeshadow base and the same thing happened. So I still like this palette. I created a very nice look, even if I do say so myself. So if you guys like this tutorial, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.